Hello, I'm Anton. Today is day 45 of the daily crypto installment program. Here's a record of my crypto purchases on February 24th, 2025. I'll continue paying in installments. Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. This video doesn't just showcase how to buy crypto with small change, but also includes lessons about crypto, starting from the basics and getting deeper. So, watch this video until the end and don't forget to subscribe to ensure you learn more about the world of crypto at a higher level, making you more confident about investing. Today I want to discuss, Mr. Anton, is XRP still worth buying? Good question. Because many people have been skeptical since XRP was involved in a lawsuit with the SEC in the US. But now, things are much more stable. The case has begun to settle, and XRP remains one of the top cryptos. The important thing is to look at its function, not just its price. XRP is still used on RippleNet for international money transfers. It's fast, cheap, and efficient. I bought XRP not for quick profits, but to understand the technology behind it, and it's still very much worth it. If you have friends or family asking about XRP, share this video to put them at ease. We'll return to Bitcoin tomorrow.